Alright, so next step is applying the actual shampoo. You want to apply shampoo that you think will be very good for your hair. Now remember, we provide virgin hair, so it's real hair. So you want to treat your wig like it's your real hair. You know what I mean? So how I wash it, I detangle as I wash, and I go from root to tip, so in one direction. I put shampoo everywhere. Inside the cap, on the lace, on the hair. You want your hair to be nicely soaked with shampoo. And just wash, wash, wash. And be gentle. It's a full lace wig or a lace. It got lace on it, so just wash your hair.